guys, welcome. You guys cannot see my face, but you guys will see the bowl. That's the main part. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Minnie Mouse slime. If you guys were wondering how to make Minnie Mouse slime, it's just a regular slime with Minnie Mouse decorations, okay? So, without further ado, let's get on to the video because I have assuming this is going to be a very long video. So let's get on. So the first thing, I'm going to add in some Elmer's glue into the bowl or container, I guess. So just add that in. You can add as much or as little, but I'm going all in with this. I don't know if this is actually going to be a glossy slime or a fluffy slime because I'm only adding a little bit. They can see your face. Well, anyway, I don't know if it's going to be clear. I mean, glossy or fluffy because...
I told you I was going to watch TV as soon as I got back.
I know. Shh. But then hi it then. So I'm going to talk. I can't talk in the video. So I'm going to add this in. And I'm going to add a little bit because I'm running out of it already. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in my... I'm definitely going to keep this. Maybe there's a little bit more. I'm sorry if I'm covering the camera a lot. So now I'm just going to add in some water. You can add as much or as little. I don't want it to be too jiggly, so that is like good enough. Now I'm just going to mix this all up. So it's just going to make the glue a little bit more thinner, but it's going to make the slime like really nice anyway. So I'm just going to take out all the chunks here. There's a lot of chunks. So the next thing I usually add in is the hand sanitizer. You can add as much or as little. I add like 3.5 squirts of hand sanitizer into this. You don't want to add too much because then I'll melt it and it won't be able to activate. So now I'm going to get before I get anything else ready, I'm going to go ahead and get the activator ready. So I'm just going to take 2 pinches of baking soda into the water mixture I just put into the slime. So it could activate the slime after. So just mix that all up. That should dissolve while, you know. So now what you want to do is add in your shaving cream. You can add as much or as little. See, it's like running out. That's really weird. Okay, that's actually there. So if you guys hearing any noises, that's either my fish tank or the TV, but that is all right. Now after that, I'm gonna add in now my glitter. So the glitter I'm adding in is some purple glitter. And now I'm just going to mix it all up. The next thing I'm going to do is add in 2 drops of pink food coloring and then 2 drops of purple food coloring. Boom, yeah. Then it'll be time to activate it. So 2 drops of pink. And then 2 drops of purple. Now we're just going to mix. I'll show you guys how it looks at the end if you guys cannot see. But it's like really nice color actually. I thought it was going to turn way worse than this. It looks so nice. I'm actually going to add a little bit more baking soda into the water mixture. Just going to mix it with my hands, guys. Okay. I'm just going to mix this. Okay, the color is on, guys. If you guys cannot see, it looks lighter, but it's way darker than that, actually. I mean, it's lighter because it looks way darker than that on camera. Okay, so the next thing it's time is to activate. So I use contact solution and baking soda, as you guys saw. So I'm going to add the contact solution first. It's weird to add the contact solution first, but I'm doing that right now. It should activate a little bit after that, but I'm just gonna mix that all in. Should just get it thicker before I do add in the baking soda. Okay, now I'm just gonna add in the baking soda and water mixture. Like I said, you're not supposed to add too much baking soda. So that should be good. Now just start mixing, and it should start turning into slime. I'm not gonna make the slime too overactivated because I am going to be putting in the beads into this. I'm kind of regretting adding too much of that hand sanitizer. Why is it coming out? I'm not even squeezing it, guys. Legit, not even squeezing it. Okay, you can stop squirting now. Thank you. Now I'm just gonna start mixing. Now it's activating. It wasn't activating at first. Thank you for activating. Okay guys, it's starting to activate. I'm super excited now because I wasn't activating before. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want it to fall off the bowl because it's not fully slime yet, but it's turning into slime. Wow, that looks so nice. Whoa, this is the one I was excited for. That's why I'm doing it first. I was going to do the blue one first, but I got way too excited for the Minnie Mouse one, so I'm doing it. So I'm adding a little bit more of that baking soda mixture, so it gets a little more thicker because I didn't add too much the first time. Mix it, mix it, mix it. It's kind of hurting my hand, and it's not even a big batch of slime. I'm not a good slime maker, okay, guys? That's why I changed it. So now it's time to add it in. Wow, I can't believe it's activating. I'm so happy. Because at first it wasn't activating, and I got so scared because I thought it was going to activate, because that's when I said I regret adding in the a lot of hand sanitizer because it wasn't activating. But now I just regret it because it makes it softer too. The reason why I didn't add lotion is because I wanted it to be glossy, not like too lotiony. I don't know if you guys know what I'm saying. I don't either, but I'm trying not to add as much lotion as I usually add into slime, because I usually add, oh wow, you see that? I usually add a lot of lotion into slime. Look at that. That's actually, it's a little sticky, but it's turning into slime, guys. I'm very excited. The reason why I'm not pausing the video is because if you guys, I don't even know if I told you guys, but this is unedited, so I'm not going to pause it. I'm not going to I don't know, guys, but I'm not going to edit anything. So, yeah, so if you guys want to be on YouTube, I don't know where it's going, but yeah, so I'm just going to mix it up, guys. I'll edit that part. No, I'm just kidding, I won't. I don't even know how to edit. At least I covered him, okay? So it's not, I'm not going to edit, trust me. You guys will see that. Whoa, it's getting a little stringy. Why are you getting stringy, my love? My Minnie Mouse, my first slime ever, because I have no more slimes with mine. They all turned out to be a fail. 2 of them are rubbery. 2 of the clear slimes are rubbery, like very rubbery. And then the other 2 are very sticky, so I didn't know what the heck to do. But I threw them out. So all I have is this one, which is good anyway, because I like playing with slime. At least I have one. Yep, it's activating, guys, you guys can see. Should I start playing with my hands? Before I do start playing with my hands, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell, and also share the video before I even start playing with the slime. So, yeah, I'm waiting for you guys. We have 7 seconds to do all that. Actually, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, oh god, I don't know how to count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Did you guys do all those? Go. My brother didn't want to go on the 6, so I covered the camera, that's why. But right now, mixing it up. I'm gonna start playing with it now because it's starting to peel away from the bowl, and I don't want it to be too overactivated. Yeah, that's perfect. Actually, I do kind of want it to be overactivated a little bit, because there's not too much beads going to this. Oh wow, that's very sticky. Hold on, let me just add a little bit more contact solution. Wow, that feels really nice actually. It's softer than what I do at lotion to slime. I'm gonna put this away because I don't really need that. I put it in the box, guys. I save the boxes of stuff because you don't wanna don't have contact solution down in the box. Wow, this is really nice. It's a little glossy. Yeah, I want to take it out the container. It's already halfway out the container. Oh, it's still a little sticky. Hold on, let me activate it a little more. A little more? Yeah, I'm saying a lot. A lot. That I don't know. I'm getting myself confused. I do have to add. Should I add more shaving cream or more contact solution? Or more of the baking soda? I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda solution. Yeah, I think that worked actually. Yep, that's working. Yep, that should be perfect. But if it's still not perfect, I'll add some contact solution. I don't want to add too much now because it's already slime. I don't want to overactivate it because then it'll be a total mess with me. And I do not want a total mess to happen with me. Oh, there we go. Now it's really nice. Okay, now we can take it out. Okay, guys, so this is my favorite part here. To add in the beads, guys. So let me take out the beads. Where the heck did the beads go? Oh, they're right here. So I have little pink beads and big purple beads. And then we have a Minnie Mouse little charm thing I'm going to add so it looks like a Minnie Mouse slime. So that's what I'm saying, guys. It's a Minnie Mouse slime, guys. Okay, so here's how it looks. It's a little dark onto the camera, but it's way lighter than that. Did you hear that, Mom? Is that the best ASMR you heard?
Yeah.
I don't even want to add in the beads anymore, but we have to, guys, because this is a Minnie Mouse video. So let's add into the beads, guys. I don't have to add charm in yet. Add in the beads. Now I'm just going to start mixing. Whoa, they're coming out, guys. They're coming out. Now they're staying in because I'm mixing them in. Where's the other one go? Did I lose a small one? Oh no! I lost like half of the beads, but it's okay. Oh, here's that. The bead didn't even fly out. I know the other bead fell because I heard it fall, but... Oh, this feels so nice. Holy smokes. This feels super nice. Like, if you guys really are excited, thank you so much for leaving a like on the video and subscribing because, like, I would have not been able to do the slime. So thank you so much, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. But before we leave, a Minnie Mouse hug. Can't read you guys. Bye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's Minnie Mouse slime. But before we do anything, we have to do a swirl. I don't know how to do a swirl. This is very runny. Okay, Minnie Mouse slime. Oh, that looks so nice. Did you guys see that? Holy smokes, you guys could see the Minnie Mouse charm in it. Let me see if I can find it. Found it. That was kind of easy. There's Minnie Mouse, guys. So, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!